Hello, in this video I'm going to show you all backup methods on XIAOMI 15T. Okay, let's open up the settings. Now click on About Phone, right in here, scroll down until you see Backup and Restore. Okay, we can create a local backup on our device and on our computer. We can also create by using XIAOMI Cloud and perform a Google backup. Let's begin with the mobile device first. If you click on that, you need to click on Agree. And now we need to remember that it is a local backup and it's stored in our on our phone. And it means that even after the reset of our phone, the backup will be also erased. So what I highly recommend is to simply backup it also into our computer. I will show you that. We will have access to it all the time. Okay, but to create a backup into computer, first we need to create a local backup. So I'm also going to show you that. In here, select the things that you want to backup, and then hit the button. Click on Got it. Click on Backup once again, and now the process has started. And now we need to wait until it gets to 100%. So I'll see you once it's done. Okay, it has been done, so click on Finish, and now it's stored on our device. When it comes to the computer, I'll show you how to transfer this mobile backup, this local backup into your computer as a last method, so don't worry, I'll show you that also. Now let's go into XIAOMI Cloud, simply click on that. Also you need to create an account if you don't have one, if you want to use that feature. Now click on the backups, click on Allow. And now to create a backup, click on Backup Now simply, and the process will start. So again, I'll see you once it's done. Alright, the backup has been successfully made, so we can click on Done. And that's all when it comes to the XIAOMI backup. Now it's stored simply in the cloud. Okay, also remember that if you would like to restore the backup in the future, you will need to log into the same XIAOMI account on which you made the backup. Okay, now let's go with the Google backup. Scroll down. But first we need to know what is our Google account actually. Let's check it. Scroll down in the settings, go into Google, and in here we have our Google account that we are currently logged into. And on that account, our backup will be saved. Also in the cloud. So if you would like to restore the backup in the future, you'll need to log into the same Google account. Okay, so let's get back into the backup process, backup and restore, and click on backup. Okay, also, when it comes to the backup details, make sure that everything is on. You can see that all the device data is on, but we cannot say it about photos and videos, so click on that and click on backup. Okay, now it's on, and we can click on backup now. Now, after a few seconds, this circle appeared right in here, and as you take a look, it's starting slowly to fulfill. When this circle disappears, it means that our backup has been successfully made, so I'll see you in a second once it's done. Okay, now everything went successfully. As you take a look on other device data below, we can see how long ago the last backup was made. In my case, it was like 2 minutes ago, so everything went successfully. So we can go back, and I'll show you how to transfer the backup into your computer. So we need to select it right in here. And now, connect your phone into your computer using USB-C cable. Also, you need to have that local backup created that I was showing you in the first method. And now, open up the bar, click on charging this device via USB, and change into File Transfer / Android Auto. Okay, now I will launch my computer, and I'll show you the further steps. Okay, now to transfer that backup into your PC, open up your PC. Now go into Devices and Drives, open up your XIAOMI, click on Internal Shared Storage, Now open My UI, right in here, this folder. Now go into Backup and click on All Backup. In here we have our zip folder, that's our backup. So now we can copy it into, for example, new folder on our desktop. Okay, everything is being copied. So now we just need to simply wait until it's finished. Okay, now everything has been copied. And now it's stored on my desktop. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.